read episode 104 pretty early on, and we didn't know what song we were going to be using. We didn't know what the situation was. Initially, they wanted a flash mob, but I thought, no, there's no way Wednesday would be cool dancing and encouraging a bunch of people. So Tim and I, the director, Tim Burton, and I talked about it a little bit, and he said, yeah, let's not do a circle. Let's have it be her own thing. And I remember about a week before we shot the dance, he chose the song Goo Goo Muck by the Cramps. And the Cramps is one of my favorite bands ever. So I was super excited, super pumped. It was on my episode 4 playlist. And he came to my trailer about 2 days before we shot it and said, hey, Jenna, so I know you said that you wanted to choreograph this yourself because I refuse to see a choreographer. He was like, I know you got it. You've been working on it. I'm not even worried about it. I trust you. And I said, oh, yeah, you know, it's all so good. And I had not gone over it at all.
You had no plan?
No. I mean, I was doing cello that week, fencing that week. I just didn't have time.
You do a lot in the show.
There's a lot going on.